Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an innovative cooking solution that's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their culinary skills. We found the Nuwave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Nuwave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop? At its core, it's a powerful induction cooktop designed to make cooking faster, safer, and more efficient. With a large 8-inch heating coil, this cooktop is engineered to provide a high level of precision and control for your cooking needs. One of the standout features of the Nuwave Gold is its ability to make adjustments on the fly. If you find that your dish needs a hotter temperature or requires a bit more cooking time, you can easily tweak the settings without having to start the cooking process over. Its intuitive digital controls are user-friendly, ensuring immediate response to your adjustments. Now, let's talk about the temperature control. This cooktop comes with an impressive array of 96 pre-programmed temperature settings. You can choose from 6 convenient preset temperatures or fine-tune your own temperature anywhere between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Plus, you can add or deduct cooking time at any point during the cooking process, giving you complete control over your meal. Safety is always a priority in the kitchen, and the Nuwave Gold doesn't disappoint. Its shatter-proof ceramic glass surface is a significant advantage. Unlike traditional stovetops that have open flames or hot coils, this cooktop minimizes the risk of burns. The heavy-duty ceramic glass has been rigorously tested to withstand intense heat without shattering, making it one of the safest cooktops available on the market today. When it comes to performance, the Nuwave Gold is fast and efficient. It heats the pot directly, transferring about 85% to 90% of its electromagnetic energy into heat energy. In contrast, traditional stovetops only convert around 30% of their heat for cooking. This means you can spend less time waiting for your food to cook and more time enjoying your meal, all while saving energy in the process. The Nuwave Gold is also perfect for those who love to experiment in the kitchen. If you've ever struggled with melting chocolate, you'll appreciate this feature. You can simply set the cooktop to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, add the chocolate into an induction-ready pot, and stir. It'll never burn, allowing you to tackle even the most delicate sauces like hollandaise, beurre blanc, or beurre fondue without any fuss. So, who is this cooktop suitable for? Whether you're a busy professional, a student in a small apartment, or a home cook looking to streamline your cooking process, the Nuwave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop is designed for you. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, while its versatility allows you to prepare a wide range of dishes with ease. In practical use cases, you can use the Nuwave Gold for everyday meals, meal prepping, or even for hosting dinner parties. Its quick heating capabilities mean you can whip up a delicious stir-fry in no time, or simmer sauces to perfection while you focus on other aspects of your meal. In conclusion, the Nuwave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. With its advanced features, safety mechanisms, and efficiency, it's designed to meet the demands of modern cooking. Thanks for watching.